Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhumita, also known as Medico Madhu. Today I have come with a grim story, but this story is seen in many households recently. This is a growing problem. I'm going to talk about Mr. Rohit Sethia. He is working in MNC, 32-year-old gentleman, working all through day shift, night shift, doesn't matter to him. He wants to do the best for the society, want to be the best software engineer, give you the best technology. He skips his meals, he takes late night dinners, he skips his sleep, he skips everything. One fine day, when he is getting ready to go to office, he faints. His mom notices that her son has not come out of the room. So she goes and she tries to call him out so that he can come and get ready, go to the office. And to her surprise or to her shock, she sees her son is unresponsive. We have lost one youth over here. You must have listened to many stories like this. There is just one Rohit Sethia I was talking about. There are many Rohit Sethias here. How can we prevent this? When we were kids, we have heard of these stories of only old people dying because of a heart disease. Why is heart disease so common now? Well, majority of it is our doing. I can't blame us because we want to earn for our family. We want to give the best for our family. But there should be a balance between the two. We should all work together as a family, whether you are that person who is contributing to the family financially or you are their main support system, the pillar who is actually helping them to give the financial stability to the family. All of us, starting from the smallest child in our family to the oldest gentleman in our house, all of us have a role in this. What are the risk factors that has resulted in this early cardiac death? Lack of physical activity. Make sure, make it as a family event. All of you go for a walk, if not anything, at least for half an hour every day. It might be in the night after your kid has come from school, after you have come back from office, or it can be early in the morning, a routine where you're all happily walking in a park, but make it a part of your life. Eating as much as possible home cooked food. Home cooked also make sure that the oil content, spice content, salt content are just adequate. They should not be in excess. Taste will also be good with a lot of fruits and vegetables. It doesn't always have to come from oil or it doesn't have to be always red meat. I'm not against red meat. You do take red meat in moderation, but not in excess. The key over here is eating the right food in right quantity. Increase vegetables, increase fruits, increase pulses, increase your whatever is good for your health, nuts, avocados. All these will help you. So please go for better options. Avoid late night snacking. Okay, you are an IT professional or you are working in a BPO, whatever be the reason, you have to work in the night and you can come home only at 4 o'clock, or you are at home working from home, you still finish your work only at 4 a.m. Still, you can finish your dinner at 7:30 or 8, have a sumptuous meal. At that 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whenever you're hungry, make sure you're having a small bowl of salad or a small bowl of fruits or even a small bowl of soup rather than going for a junk food or going for a biryani, which is totally heavy, not called for in the night. Stress management. You have to work, stress is there. Who doesn't have stress? All of us have stress. But how we manage is the key. Make sure that you are spending at least half an hour in taking care of yourself. Do something that you really like every day. If this half an hour is not possible, it's still fine. Reduce it. Make it to 10 minutes. 10 minutes for yourself every day. On weekends, you increase it. You make it to about 1 hour also. Play your keyboard, which you have not played for a long time. Go meet your friend if you want that. Do all these things. Anything that keeps you happy. Go for a nature walk. All these will help you. How about smoking and alcohol? It has become a culture now. Previously, when someone used to smoke, they used to be like, I did not smoke. I don't know where the smell comes from. But these days, it has become a fashion. Oh, I smoke one pack a day. You don't smoke? Okay. Guys, ladies, Please understand, it is not a fashion trend. You are the youth. You people are our life. You are our youngsters. You are going to make this country, this world. You have to take us all only in the right path. You have so much of energy. You don't need any of these things. Kindly refrain from taking any of these. When you take too much of alcohol, it is not just the heart disease. You even go on a bike and you lose your life. Why? Smoking thrills, but it kills. Same with speed, right? Speed thrills, but it kills. Same with alcohol. Kindly avoid anything that is unhealthy. Go for healthy habits. Vaping, smoking, tobacco chewing, anything is not good for you. As much as possible, avoid it. Sedentary lifestyle, sitting for a long time is going to kill you. Sleep is a very, very, very important factor. Time, we cannot change it if you have a work in the night time, but at least the quality you can improve. As much as possible, compensate for the time in the weekends. For the quality, make sure your room is as dark as possible. Make sure that you are having enough soundproofing so that you don't have additional noise. Have a good quality sleep for at least 6 hours every day. Even if it goes as low as 4, as long as your quality is really good, you can still manage. So please try to avoid all the risk factors which are unnecessary and keep yourself as safe as possible. Prevent one more Rohit from this cardiac illness, cardiac death.